This idea is born out of the understanding that there is a gap in the industry.
So the Welding Olympics started last year, 2025, with its first edition, aiming to impact on TVET, Technical Vocational Education and Training, in Mozambique. We are now on our roadshow to the second edition. This is the kickoff event, and we were grateful to have some of our key partners here.
Our purpose is to improve lives in organizations.
We hosted the event at the IFPELAC training center from Ascending, and our main sponsor, ExxonMobil, was present.
Everywhere that Exxon works around the world, the need, I will say, is to bring nationals into the project as quickly as possible.
As an event that would allow our partners to network, but also for us to talk about the calendar for the event, the activities ahead, what we plan for this year's edition.